Market's been going pretty steadily up for over the last month, so I am up about 16% over the last month. However, SPY is up about 12.5%, so it's really not that great, considering that year to date I'm underperforming. I'm about 6.5 or 6.4% down, and then year to date SPY is about flat. So I am catching up quickly, but still currently down. Um, so what is new? Basically, I lost some shares of AMD. I had sold a call at 106 and kind of with the big run up, kind of got underwater with those. But I made a premium on those and I made a gain on those. So on Monday, I went ahead and bought 100 shares and I sold a call for about $300 for the 117 price, strike price. They're sitting about 113 right now. So we'll see what happens. That's a couple weeks out. I may make a few $100s off that. If it's going up to the 117 mark, then I'll just lose those shares and recycle that money. Or if it goes back down, then I'll collect that $300 and then just sell another call on it. And then I do have another set of shares probably getting called away on the same date. That's for the 30th, and I sold a call on this one a long time ago, and I've been rolling this one up and out a bunch of times, and it's just too underwater right now for me to really make any premium on it. The last I looked was I could make about a $40 premium to roll it out another week or so, and it's just not enough credit to really justify doing that anymore. So I'm going to let that go and just recycle that cash into some more calls. And then what I'm going to start working on is I'm going to start building a position in QQQ. I went ahead and bought one share today, and then I automated a recurring investment of $125 per day. And so my eventual goal is to sell some covered calls on QQQ, but I don't want to buy in all at once just because of how the market's all crazy. I mean, just looking at SPY today, everything looked like it was going okay, and then we got a 1% drop out of the nowhere. So I don't really want to buy a whole bunch of QQQ and then have that happen. It was up a 0.5%, and then now it's down, uh, 0.8% in like 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to slowly accumulate some QQQ shares. I'm going to keep selling some calls on AMD, pick up some premiums, and then reinvest that premium into QQQ.